Alright, today we have a really beautiful free lookup table LUT, and it's a nice film emulation, the Portra 800, and we're using Photoshop for our demo, but you can use this in DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, CapCut, and more. So I've loaded the LUT in here, and let's take a look. Here's before, and here's after. Before and after. Really beautiful lookup table. Now if you're looking for more lookup tables like this, you can check out the complete collection by Preset Pro, and I've loaded a couple into Photoshop here, so let's just demo a couple here. Here's all the different Kodak lookup tables here. Let's try Portra. Here's before and here's after. Before and after. So what I'll do is I'll put a link down below so you can download the free lookup table Portra 800, and I'll also put a link down below for the film emulation lookup table collection by Preset Pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.